Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation. An honor to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Dwi Nugrahini, and I am from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Program Elementary School Teacher Education, University of Muhammadiyah Purwokerto Banyumas. Implementation of teacher pedagogic competence in implementasi kurikulum Merdeka Learning at SD Negeri Sri Arcawinangun.
And next we'll see
Introduction. Education plays an important role in shaping a national future generation. Education is a deliberate effort to pass down a legacy from generation to generation. During the teaching learning process, students actively develop their potential to have religious, spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and skill needed by themselves and social. Education is also worded in Undang-Undang Nomor 20, which stated from every citizen has the same right to a quality education. Thus, education is one of the effort to improve a national quality. In Indonesia, education is oriented toward Kurikulum Merdeka learning, which is one of the effort to improve educational quality as a part of curriculum development. The curriculum is widely introduced by the Ministry of Education and Culture in every educational unit. However, this curriculum is not required to be implemented by all schools because every school capacity different of another. Curriculum Merdeka is expected to be gradually implemented in all education level including SD, SMP, SMK or SMA, and higher education. The implementation is governed by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. Teachers play an important role in education. The nation is educator. As a learning manager, the teacher operates as facilitator who creates a fun and effective learning environment that develops teaching material, improve student ability to listen and master the education goals which they must achieve in order to improve career quality awards and teachers' welfare so they can work professionally. One of the factors that contributed to success of the education unit program in the learning process is the availability of facilities and infrastructure. And then teacher pedagogical competence in this implementation has seven aspects, including recognizing and understanding student character, developing curriculum, mastering learning theory and principle in learning, establishing student potential, building learning, educational principles, good communication with students, and carrying out assessment and evaluation process. A teacher must be able to understand their student personality. Curriculum development need to be intended by the teacher in order to be synchronous with the school vision and mission. Based on the finding of a parliamentary study done by research at SD Negeri Sri Arcawinangun. The school has accessibility a new curriculum now as curriculum Merdeka Learning. Although this curriculum is still relatively new, it has been implemented in grade 1 and 4. However, teacher pedagogy competence has not been effectively implemented. Some aspects that have not been fully carried out, including identifying the learning characteristic of students, accessibility in class 1 and 4, which are still the process of adjust that come separated as well for teacher. In the initial note of Curriculum Merdeka Learning's pedagogy competence, it is still recognized as unfamiliar. Teacher would teach dulu regional spelling training class, turning carry to learning as the teacher pocket book with and learning is application, continuous and class using the excellent teaching method. Curriculum Merdeka has not yet been implemented for all students in the same level of elementary school. Intend to undertake research implementation of teacher pedagogy competent in implementation curriculum Merdeka learning at SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun. Research methods. The approach used in this research is descriptive qualitative. Qualitative research is a type of research whose findings are not obtained through statistical procedure or other form of calculation. The research method is used in natural object condition where the research is the key instrument. This study was carried out at SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun, which is location at Jalan Impres nomor 10 Arcawinangun, S. Purwokerto District, Banyumas Regency. From the beginning of May to the end of May 2023. A record of the result of research observation was used to determine the location. SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun is one of the schools that has implemented the curriculum Merdeka Learning in grades 1 and 4 according to the review. In the review, technique, observation, and documentation, study were used to collect data. The interview in this study will be semi-structural with the use of interview witness to help research remain organized. Lesson will be development based on the factor in the field, the homeroom teacher for class 1, the homeroom teacher for class 4, the school principal at SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun and regional coordinating supervisor will be interviewed. Researchers use observation technique to try to observasi the learning process of studying student in class 3 and SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun. Documentation technique aim to enhance research data in the form of written source, image, and any other information ultimately related to the research.
Let's take a look.
Finding and discussion. SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun explained that school preparation for the independent curriculum is to support teacher ability in implementing curriculum Merdeka Learning, specifically by participating in activities such as training, Zoom, or others as well as reading the assembly platform. Curriculum changes are implemented by implementing a smart curriculum teacher phase to be vessel identification as follows. Number 1, teacher pedagogy complex in curriculum Merdeka Learning. 2, teacher inhibiting factor in implementing teacher pedagogy competition in curriculum Merdeka Learning. 3 factors supporting teacher in the implementation pedagogy competency curriculum Merdeka Learning. Subak is watching is teacher pedagogy component in curriculum Merdeka Learning. Professional teacher must have pedagogy competence is a basic skill. In the learning process, pedagogy competence is a practice in teaching performance behavior. The process of teacher work behavior in learning is based on pedagogy competencies such as student characteristic, learning theory, and education principle of learning and curriculum development. Based on interview with the S. Purwokerto Korwilcam supervisor regarding learning the independent curriculum at SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun. The teacher provide curriculum Merdeka based learning but in class 1 and class 4, adapted to 21 century abilities. The result of the study also found that the learning process that took place was novel effective. Research discovered that students will focus and learning with no pay attention to teacher like on their alone and whispered or other friends. When students are active and pay attention to teacher will learning, they understand and quick grasp the material. Number 2, teacher inhibiting factor in implementing teacher pedagogy competence in curriculum Merdeka Learning. Point to 4. Teacher knowledge factor, teacher preparation factor, teacher ability factor, Teacher development factor. Teacher convert factor based on the teacher content of the curriculum. The teacher is still adjusting to the learning that has just been implemented in grade 1 and 4. Teacher preparation factor based on teacher preparation, teacher must follow rules and guidelines such as learning outcomes, ATP, learning goal flow, teaching modules and teaching materials. Teacher ability factor based on the teacher ability curriculum Merdeka, the teacher must have an understanding before implementing the curriculum. Teacher development factor. Teacher as the independent learning platform as a resource for learning in interviews with core will some supervisor and school participant in the teacher development. Research discovered that they still have difficulty and like learning teacher frequently like time study because their job involves one only teaching but also administration. Factor supporting teacher in implementing teacher pedagogy competence in curriculum Merdeka Learning. 7 point. Number 1, mastering the character of student. The teacher understands the character of student through everyday learning based on the rules of option and interview conduction. 2. Mastering learning theory and educational learning principle. According to findings of the research interview, the teacher understands first theories and practical related to AKM. Number 3, curriculum development. Based on the feeding of the research interview, the teacher understands the principle. Number 4, educational learning activities. According to finding of the intro conduction during the research, the teacher used forest educational and creative process, strategies and technique. 5. Best development of potential learners. Based on the feeding of the interview conducted during the research, the teacher identifies the potential of student. 6. Communication with student. According to the finding of the research interview, the teacher understands forest strategies through an individual approach and grades the teacher in daily activities so that learning activities and the classroom have atmosphere that supports students' motivation in accordance with Badarudin. 7. Assessment and evaluation. Based on the feeding of the research interview and teacher comprehensive the principle IRC evaluation learning process and outcome, based of the characteristic of the subject taught via attitude assessment, oral assessment, and written assessment, and uses written or unwritten evaluation, which are the application in the application. Conclusion. Based on the discussion that has been carried out, several conclusions are observed as follows. Number 1, teacher pedagogic competent in carrying out curriculum Merdeka Learning at SD Negeri Sri Arca Winangun. Teacher pedagogic competence in learning the independent curriculum at SD Negeri Sri Arca Winangun provide independent curriculum learning is but class 1 and 4 that meets 21st century abilities. The teacher provides learning in class that is also specific to the characteristic of the student so that the student abilities can develop. Independent curriculum based learning liberates teacher and student in terms of teaching and learning in order to develop their creativity or knowledge. 2. Teacher inhibiting factor in implementation teacher pedagogy competence in creating curriculum Merdeka Learning at SD Negeri 3 Arca Winangun. Teacher growth, teacher preparation, teacher ability, and teacher development are the factors that prevent teacher from implementation teacher pedagogy competence in carrying out independent curriculum learning. The first factor is that the teacher knowledge continue to be inadequate due to a lack knowledge related to the curriculum. This independent curriculum include the new curriculum, that is implemented so drunk of cloth. The new teacher option it after receiving information about the new curriculum. The second factor is teacher preparation in implementation the independent teacher curriculum that was given as background. So preparation is still like beginning with undebatable information, minimal socialization, unvalid teacher training, teacher who are still developed to adaptation to curriculum change and inclement facilities and infrastructure such as books. They rely solely on their sense without fully comprehending that experience. The teach factor is that teacher's ability as to be like do to the reality. Teacher remains short of information. Teacher also seek information independently regarding an independent curriculum in order to implement their learning. The final factor is teacher development, in which teachers continue to struggle because they are unaware of the independent curriculum. 3. Factors supporting teacher in implementation teacher pedagogy competent in carrying out curriculum Merdeka Learning at SD Negeri 3 Arcawinangun. Mastering student characteristic, learning theory and learning principles, curriculum development, education learning activities, development student potential, communication with student and assessment, and evaluation are all factors that help teacher implementation teacher pedagogy competent in carrying out independent curriculum learning. The first factor is mastering the character of student, which the teacher implement by interacting with student, approaching parent, and understanding the work of parent as well as their background and home condition. The second factor is mastering learning theory and education learning principle, which teacher understand through PPG and use more learning media in order for children to understand the material present with less difficulty. Curriculum development using learning outcome, learning object flow, and learning modules is the third factor. The fourth factor is educational learning activities. The teacher is aware of the student level of comprehension. The fifth factor is student development. The teacher can optimally good student achievement. The sixth factor is communication with student, which can be acknowledged in individual approach and greeting teacher and their daily activities. The final factor is assessment and evaluation, which are based on the characteristic of subject being education and the academic assessment. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.